Yo, what's up? Dan here. So today I have a really quick video with you, and I'm going to explain to you why it's such a quick video. So this morning I got an email saying that there's this new product on Indiegogo that's going to be starting to campaign today at 7 o'clock on the 12th. So I want to get this video out. Hopefully I get this out to you really the same day. But basically their price is so low because it's just starting the campaign, and it is a pair of headphones, and the price is $39. So the reason that's awesome is because since it's so early on, these are going to be $150 after the Indiegogo funding, right? So you're getting them for $40 now, maybe with shipping $45, and then they're going to be $150. So I bought them right away, and I wanted to be able to share this with you as well, so you guys can get on this crazy deal. But I wanted to talk just why did I choose this product besides for the price and everything like that, and just and then I'll get into the features of what this product is actually. So you can see if this is something that you're actually interested. But just to tell you generally why I picked this one, because you got to be careful on Indiegogo, and I'm going to show you why in this short video. So the reason you have to be careful is sometimes, and I'm going to open it actually, like let's say we wanted to get this product. You go and you scroll down and you can see it's $39, and you go and you want to pay for it, right? So you go over here, you get this perk. And what pops up is this risk and crowdfunding, right? So I'm going to make myself smaller so you can see this. The payment you are about to make is a contribution to the campaign and not a direct purchase. Indiegogo does not guarantee that the perks offered by the campaigner will be produced or delivered. So, and then they have all these other little fine prints, and it basically says, like anyone getting in on an early stage project, you accept the risk that the project may experience changes, delays, unforeseen challenges, and it's possible that a project you fund might not come to fruition. So this is why I really wanted to explain why I chose this one over other ones, because it might not come, you know, and that's the risk that you take when you get this crazy deal at the beginning. The reason I chose this one specifically was because they've had success in the past. This is not their first product they're doing on Indiegogo. They've already put out a couple other headphones. You can actually see they've already started to produce this headphone. So you know this is not a gimmick. I really think they're going to actually send it to us. It might not be on time, but they're going to send it to us because you can see people already have it. And this is something that they've already had another fund that had 18,000 people, I think, and they've got their feedback, and now they're making their second version. So you know this is a company, they're not messing around. The name of the company is Padmate. So that's why I chose this, and this is just a little tutorial about like what type of products you should kind of get on Indiegogo. So that's why I want to share this one with you. Now we'll go on to the features. Okay, so some of the features just quickly so you can see if this is something you even want to click on the link and see if you want to buy it. But remember, this is going to go quick. So the first thing is there's just different colors. They look pretty cool. And it's in leather. They have this scroll design. That's the actual thing that the buds go into, and it kind of rolls over and closes. They have a wireless charger. I think that's a separate piece. It might cost $10, but it actually makes you able to charge the case that these little buds stick into wirelessly. So it looks pretty cool. And that they'll show you down here the two different ways of charging. You can use the micro USB, or you can actually add this little piece and charge it wirelessly. If you can see that down there, they're sticking this little technology they created into the micro USB, and then you can charge wirelessly on a pad that's not included. I think that's pretty cool that they created this little piece. Let's keep on going. You can see it's really for fitness people, for all these different activities that you could be doing. It's Bluetooth 5.0, so that's updated from the last version that they made, which is obviously faster, goes farther, and can transfer data at much higher rates and stuff like that. That's why we love the 5.0 that it offers. They've kind of compared it to AirPods, which they're saying is better, obviously. Their selling point, they're saying it sounds better, and there's auto pairing. And similar to any other type of Bluetooth headphones, you just go in there, it will connect to multiple devices, and they want to show you that it's pretty small, like comparing to other types of devices that would go in your ear. So yeah, that one goes right in your ear like that. And then this is really awesome, IPX6 sweat resistance, and you can basically like really use these for intense water if it's raining and stuff like that. Pretty high quality. noise isolation. They look pretty cool. That's why I bought them right away. You can go into your assistant, touch control on the sides, like do some swiping and clicking or whatever. And then you have the 3.5 hours of playtime. And the cradle will add a couple times that it comes with when you put it in, that little case. So it looks like a really complete package. Obviously, if you go on the site, you'll be able to see more, you know, and really go into these details if you want to buy it. But it's supposed to come in November. I think it might even be early. I've never had that happen, but it might be early. We'll see. Maybe it'll come in October. I'm not sure. But anyways, just to end off, please use the link that I'm gonna put in the description, because there's a chance that when you guys get it, I'll be entered into different promotions that I can win something. So if you use my link, it's called the referral program. I wanted to show you that. So they have this referral program that there's different benefits that you can get, and I can win an iPhone. So use my link. You can then, once you've bought this, you can start to spread the link also. You can only start to enter into this referral program once you've actually contributed to the campaign. So if you buy it, then start to share the word, and hopefully you guys can also rack up your referrals as well. But you won't be able to do any referring or anything like that. So use my link. Hopefully that will help me. I might do some giveaways also, so if you help me, hopefully I can give back to you guys also. And then once you guys actually buy it, then you can start to share the link as well, and hopefully you guys can also win some stuff with that referral program. But thank you so much for watching this. I know it was really quick. If you have any questions, you can leave in the comments, but I wanted to get this to you as soon as possible because that $39.99 price is not going to last long. It's going to jump up to $49.99 really quickly. Hopefully you guys can get on $39.99. I don't think so by the time you get it, but even $50. If it's going to be $150, I think that's a good deal. Remember, there is a risk, but yeah, please share this. Share the referral code for me, and enjoy. I hope you like this video, and I'm going to be coming up with reviews and unboxing when I get this, so please subscribe. As soon as I get this product, I'm going to do an unboxing video. I'm going to make a full review and see if this is actually lives up to the hype. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate it.